fascist monastery, pretending we were not punks. 10 years is a very long time to pent up my aggression, and we tried to play nice in your little paradise, but we never learned our lesson. And now we'll shave your heads and make you wet your bed, and we'll take you to class, and we'll take a safety pin and shove it through your chin, and shove Buddha straight up your ass, 'cause we're industrial strength punks. Industrial strength punks. Not your overplayed bubblegum, hip hop, R&B, freaking funk. We're industrial strength punks. Industrial strength punks. By 1981, the revolution had begun. A message was inside ya, but apparently you can't say good on MTV. We should have said vagina. So in 1983, we were banned from MTV, 'cause we were too controversial. But we ain't about the money or your milk and freaking honey. We'll never go commercial. No, we only preach what we believe, like down with fascist industry, and Pepsi Cola is the one to choose. In the game of life, you just can't lose. If you slam dunk the punk in a pair of Nike shoes, like industrial strength punks. Industrial strength punks. Raise your fist, bang your head on the floor. If your ears don't bleed, the music isn't loud enough for industrial strength punks. Industrial strength punks. Brothers and sisters, boy punks and girl punks, as you go out tonight to raise hell and get pissed in a dark alley, remember, we are in a revolution against the status quo. Seize the day and gather ye piercings while ye may, and do it for the revolution. Pierce your friends, pierce your nose, pierce your friend's nose. Only together can we achieve complete anarchy. We must organize. Remember, there's no better way to organize than with the latest version of Microsoft Windows for your computer. It's the perfect tool for organizing all the names of your favorite anarchists, and it's got a handy word processor for writing your very own punk manifesto. Nietzsche said that God is dead, but punk lives forever.